final meeting with Ranbir, and today he's at the Mehboob Studios for a photo shoot.
Hi. I feel I'm on Big Boss. So much you don't have to do, yeah? Hey, you don't want to come cameras ahead.
Hi, what's up? This is Lenovo.
Quickly get ready and then we'll start.
Yeah.
Because I have to put on another face.
What another face?
Makeup, hair.
We see you in a little bit.
Yeah. Hi.
Clothes quickly changed, Ranbir gets down to work.
Nice. It's not looking the camera, it's playing.
Yeah, we'll start with that.
Like a target.
Like a target. Yeah? Got it. Next.
So, I'm holding it like this.
Yeah, you both are just watching a little closer, like you put your hands around her and then you're watching. So you got a popcorn in the hand, so you're just smiling and laughing.
One set done,
The next stage, like the blue jacket or whatever.
Ranbir heads to the vanity van, where we catch up with him to talk about the record-breaking numbers of Ye Jawani Hai Deewani.
Do you think people had, I think especially the critics who reviewed the movie, they had very high expectations?
I mean, you can't take this one too seriously, you know. I mean, it's just a simple slice of life, love story. It's not a rom-com, but it's about friendship, about love, about growing up, just about life in a simple way, in a non-philosophical, layered way.
Are you happy with the kind of money it's made?
It's great. It's validation. Obviously, you
Because when we chatted in intro, one of the things you said that you're constantly being tagged as the next superstar, the superstar in waiting. I think with this a lot of that changes.
Of course, it kind of lets me now do the kind of films that I want to do with more confidence. Probably people will invest money in films which are probably not run-of-the-mill masala entertainers. But it's great. It's like I said, it's like a report card. Film has done well, but then you move on, and that's pretty much it. I'm more happy for Ayan.
Have you gone to watch the movie with the...
No,
a lot of actors do that, no? They
I
go to
can't
watch
do
it.
that.
Why?
I went once for Savarya to a single screen, and post that I swore that I would never go to theatre to watch. But now I didn't know that was my first film, and then I'm like, this, I ain't never going to theatre to watch my movies. Whose umbrella is that? Open? Be careful of your eye. Put it out and open it. Wow. How do you hold it? And there's whistles also there?
Yeah, I can blow it also.
Sure. Wow.
In between shots, we catch up with ace lensman Dabu Ratnani, who's been shooting with Ranbir since his first film.
Ranbir and me go a long way back because we actually shot before even Savarya released, and we've been shooting ever since, and he's been a part of all my calendars since that time. It's great fun shooting with him. Doesn't feel like a shoot, he's like very relaxed, very chilled out, completely relies on the photographer for instruction. The first photo shoot that we did, he kept coming back to me, say, how's it looking? Tell me what to do. A lot more, he was not so secure and not so sure of what he's doing. But I always, from the first time I shot him, he looked like brilliant in the pictures. Brilliant actor. I mean, I don't think there's any alternate for a brilliant actor. I feel that everybody waits for a Ranbir movie.
Do you like photo shoots?
I hate
get
it.
bored?
I hate photo shoots. I'm so bad at photographs, and I think it's really as an actor you don't really have to do much except with your stylist, your makeup person in your hair. I think it's more for them. You just have to come there.
It's a good look for you.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's a preppy.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah, maybe because I have like this baby face, nice sweet boy, so that's why shirt, pullover, beige pants. Yeah.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how bored are you right now?
-2.
God. So you should get your Red Bull or two.
And I've just, I guess, learned over years that, and with experience, that when you're doing a photo shoot, just don't do anything. You don't need to overcompensate because you feel you're not good. You just have to be there. You have to, and now there's so much of stuff that you can do on Photoshop. You can change a person's expression, the color of the clothes, the hair, the makeup. So
You come with a blank slate.
it's pointless. Photo shoots are pointless.
This is what your fifth change.
Fourth.
Salman Khan got me introduced to Ranbir, and when he was shooting for Maine Pyar Kyun Kiya, and they were shooting in, I think, Filmistan. And then quite a few years back. And Salman called me that, there's a guy, you have to style him, and so he called me. It was Ranbir Kapoor. And I tried doing 3-4 hairstyles, and even Salman tried 2-3 hairstyles himself on him with his own hands. And then later on, Sanjay Bansali was also my client, so he told me that he's introducing a new guy, and it happened to be Ranbir Kapoor. So here, this guy who's very versatile, whose choice of films are different, whose choice of characters are different. He doesn't like to repeat himself. The shooting is over for a particular film. He wants to forget that character.
Back inside the studio, the photo shoot continues. It's now been close to 4 hours.
What's Ranbir Kapoor like when he's away from a film set, away from an event, away from a shoot?
I'm fish out of water. I'm just flat on my bed, watching movies, doing nothing. I spend a little time with my parents. I don't go out much. If I go, I'll go once a week for dinner with my friends.
Yourself sound very boring.
No, but I love it, and I do it because I am very comfortable being alone. I'm very comfortable. I like it. I like just being in a state of actually nirvana. I don't have a thought in my head. I'm flat. I'm vegetating. I am procrastinating. I'm playing video games. I'm watching movies. But I live in a bungalow which is owned by my parents. I don't want to move out because I think I'm very comfortable there, and they give me my space. But I live in a room. I don't use the bungalow. My house is my room. I think my parents really like my company. They don't intrude in my space, and just the fact that I can have one meal with them, lunch or dinner or breakfast, it gives them a lot of happiness and joy. And if I move out, I'll stop meeting them. I'll just stop meeting them, and I think that much I can grant them because it gives me happiness also. To see them happy. My father is very proud. He's very house proud. He's very family proud. So he likes the fact that I'm around, and he likes to to still call the watchman upstairs and ask what time did Ranbir come home.
Really?
And ask me the next day, where did you go, who did you go with, did you take the driver? He keeps tapping me, and I like that.
It's almost backup time. But not before some candid camera.
Action. Da 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 da. Out. Next. Da 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 da. Expand. Out. Look. Correct.
Yeah?
That's fine.
Take.
Action. Correct.
Thank you so much, guys. It's a wrap. Bye, Jan.
Bye.
See you.
Thank you.
Good job. Kal Saturday.
At 31, Ranbir has proved to be a real game changer. He's made bold choices of films, shattered box office records, and created an identity that's completely his own. But what about his legacy?
But what is the legacy you hope for Ranbir Kapoor to leave behind? What is the...
Well, any parent would say that we have a grandson who will also carry on the will carry on the legacy.
So you want the acting scenes to go on and on and on.
And why not? And why not? Touchwood, we are the fourth male generation.
Fifth, I think.
Fourth. My grand Prithviraj Kapoor, Raj Kapoor, Rishi Kapoor, him, fourth male generation that's. Otherwise, I have my nieces, I have my everybody, the whole family is full of actors. And I would like that it should go on ahead.
Ma'am, what about you? What's the legacy you hope for Ranveer?
That he should do good work and he should stay humble, and his children also like that. And what else?
Inside the need to make movies or act in movies or tell stories, if that goes away, there's really no point.
10 years down the line, 15 years down the line, what does Ranveer Kapoor see himself doing? What does he hope to be doing?
Well, to be honest, I really want to have a family with children, a happy family with children, who I can, give them a comfortable lifestyle. I don't want to spoil my children. I'm not here. I'm not that ambitious also to earn billions and billions of rupees and.
You're already doing that.
But I'm not that ambitious, and money is never my drive. But I definitely want 3 kids. I want one wife. I want a nice, sweet, comfortable, happy house, and I want inspiration and motivation.
There's no doubting it. At least for now, there's no star quite as bright as the Ranveer Kapoor star.